Did you know that the human foot has its own intelligence? Does it surprise you that your foot has thousands of neurons that can sense shape, texture, temperature, and even density? Did you know that most, if not all, your knee, hip, back, and even neck problems originate in the feet? Did you know that your foot is an anatomical miracle that no man-made machine can even come close to replicating? Those questions may seem a strange thing to obsess over when making something as simple as flip-flops. But those questions are not strange when your goal is to make the most durable, high-quality flip-flops on planet Earth. Because at Toehold, we believe your foot can also feel quality. And that's why at Toehold, we make our flip-flops the old-fashioned way. By hand, from scratch, with a master craftsman using the best ingredients we can find. Durability is our guarantee, and style is our passion. There are certain things you learn when working with the very best leathers and exotic skins money can buy. You learn that nothing can replace the human hand when choosing the best materials to work with. You learn that nothing made by man can replace the way top-grain saddle leather wears over time. And nothing but the finest quality vegetable-dyed cowhide gets better, more beautiful, the more you wear it. Oh, did we mention we make flip-flops? We could go on. We could tell you how every pair of Toeholds you buy are guaranteed to be handmade, customized, full-grain leather, made in the USA, not made in China. How they mold to your foot, how they have Vibram slip-resistant treads, an orthopedic core, an unbreakable thong, copper rivets, tuck-under straps, an expanded toe box. But what really matters to us is that when you slide on a pair of Toehold flip-flops, it's the best thing you can do to your feet. And it's the only thing you want on your feet. So if you're serious about style and healthy feet, come try a pair of our luxury flip-flops on and let us know what you think. Because at Toehold, we're positive you're gonna love it.